In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your card to Apple Wallet and fix issues if you can't add your card to Apple Wallet in 2025. Let's dive right in and ensure your experience with Apple Wallet is smooth and hassle-free. First things first, let's talk about your internet connection. Apple Pay relies on Apple's online services, so a robust and stable internet connection is crucial. If you're experiencing trouble adding your card, start by checking your Apple ID and wallet status through Apple's System Status page to ensure everything is running smoothly. If there appears to be no issue there, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data or hop onto another Wi-Fi network. This simple switch often resolves connectivity issues, ensuring that your internet connection is working perfectly while you attempt to add your card. Next up, you should verify the region settings on your Apple ID. Apple Pay isn't universally available, which means your Apple ID might be set to a region where Apple Pay is not supported. It's an easy fix. Check your region setting on your iPhone and make sure it's set to a location where Apple Pay operates. A quick visit to your settings should help you make the necessary adjustments. Another possible hiccup could be the number of cards you've already added. If you're using an iPhone 8 or newer, you're allowed a maximum of 12 cards for Apple Pay, a bit less for older models. If you've hit this limit, it's time to do some housekeeping and delete cards you no longer use or those that are used less frequently. This little cleanup can pave the way for successfully adding new cards to your digital wallet. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. If issues persist, try restarting your device. Frequently, a quick restart can resolve minor bugs and crashes that might be blocking you from setting up Apple Pay effectively. Once your iPhone is back on, give adding your card another shot. It might just do the trick. Keeping your iOS updated is crucial for operational efficiency. Apple frequently rolls out updates to address and improve issues with the software. An outdated iOS might be the culprit behind your current struggles with Apple Wallet. Head over to Settings, tap on General, and check Software Update. If you see an update waiting for you, go ahead and install it, as this might resolve the error. Lastly, let's not forget about your bank or card issuer. Not every bank, even in supported countries, is compatible with Apple Pay. If all else fails, reach out to your banking institution to see if there might be compatibility issues or settings that need adjustment on their end. And there you have it. With these tips, you're well on your way to seamlessly adding your card to Apple Wallet and troubleshooting any common issues that pop up. Thanks for tuning in and happy spending.